a totally different girl. Like, when I put the lashes on, it's like, oh, like catfish, you know? And I'm okay with it. I am honestly okay with that.
Feel some type of way. Feel some type of way. Make you feel some type of way. Make me wanna fuck me, know you feel some type of way.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today is a surprise party for my grandpa, and I just wanted to do a get ready with me because why not? I feel like getting cute today. Oh, not necessarily get ready. Well, it's gonna be a get ready with me / like his celebration. So yeah, my grandpa's birthday is May 15th. That is 15 days before my birthday. He is literally my best friend. I freaking love him. So yeah, we're about to get ready. The first thing I do, I already brushed my teeth and all that other stuff. All that stuff that, you know, I don't want to see it. I already did that stuff. But now, the first thing I do for real, y'all, like, I could not even have in mind what I'm gonna do today, but I'm gonna put on my lashes. So these are the 3 pairs that I have, and I'm just go with the boldest ones, which is the 3rd pair. You don't see? I'm just go with the boldest ones. So yeah, but not today. We're celebrating him today, and I'm really excited. Like, I haven't seen a lot of my family on that side in a long time, so I'm so excited to see them. Super excited. But yeah, I have a lot to do. Like, I have to of course do my hair. Y'all see I have a bonnet on, so yeah. I love this lash glue, and it's so pretty. Like, I'm not a purple girl, for real, but like, this color is so pretty. But yeah, I have a lot to do today. Like, I have to film basically 3 videos. I'm filming this one, my hair video, and an unboxing video. So I'm pretty excited. I love filming, y'all. Like, that's honestly my favorite thing to do. So yeah, pretty excited. But I'm not even gonna let y'all sit here and hear me ramble. I'm about to just get into it. I'm gonna just put on my lashes and we'll get back into what we're doing today. I'm painting my nails with y'all. I'm picking out my outfit with you guys and things of that nature. So yeah, let's get into it. Make sure you like. Oh no. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, because why not? And I hope you guys are enjoying me every day for this month. Like, I'm posting every day, honestly, is nice. Like, it's fun. Like, I like it. Not something I can do like all the time, but for special months like Vlogmas, Vlogtober, Shawn, you know, I love it. But okay, I'll be back. Yeah. Okay, I just felt like talking. The reason why I get clear glue, y'all, is because y'all see that? Like, well, of course it's white right now. I don't know if I can see that. But like, I be messing up. I always get it at the mark, but like, getting it to the mark is the issue. But look, I'm about to get this, y'all. I gotta put more glue on it because it just literally fell. It was hanging like on my face. But yeah, I love lashes. Like, I probably shouldn't talk to y'all with one lash. Y'all probably looking at me like, girl. Okay. I was told if you put your eyelashes on with no tweezers, you're crazy. See, I'm so mad because I put it on so perfectly, like, before I got on the camera. You see? Look, you see how it's all the way up there? It's not supposed to be up there, y'all. It's not. But the glue is just gonna dry, and that's why I love clear glue. Well, it's white, but it, you know, it's clear. It, like, it's white until it, like, dries, and then it becomes clear. But y'all, I am a fanatic for lashes. I wish I was not allergic to the lash glue for, like, minks or whatever it's called. I don't even know what it's called. Like, you know, lash extensions. Because, man, I would be so happy. Like, I'm a totally different girl. Like, when I put the lashes on, it's like, oh, like, catfish, you know? And I'm okay with it. I am honestly okay with that. Like, and it's not that I don't have eyelashes. I have eyelashes, but they're so thin. Like, they're long. Like, they're probably like this length. Like, no lie, I'm not even flexing, y'all. I'm not flexing. They're this length, but they're so thin and they're light. They're very light. So when I put mascara on, of course, like, you can see my eyelashes, but it doesn't have the volume. It doesn't have the volume like this. But yeah, okay. Whole different girl. And yeah, the glue is gonna dry. But okay, so now let's figure out what I'm wearing today. I kind of already know what I'm gonna wear. Not even gonna lie to y'all, cause I want to keep it simple. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this dress. If you don't remember this, oh, I knew something was wrong. My fault. My light tried to get my phone. But okay, so I'm gonna wear this one. Like, I feel like this is simple and cute. If you don't know anything about this dress, go watch my Shawn haul because, yeah, I be feeling so weird. Hold on. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me if I sit? Whatever. I be feeling so... I'm gonna just do this for a little bit. I be feeling so... No, I'm not. No, I'm not. But I be feeling so weird when, like, okay, I have an issue with wearing the same clothes multiple times, especially if I like take pictures and get cute or whatever the case may be. So like doing Shawn hauls, honestly, I don't feel like are for me because after I wear them, like in the haul, it's like, y'all already saw it, so do I want to wear it again? And it has nothing to do with y'all. Like, I don't care how you guys feel about it. It's a bug.
Fuck, squirrel! My master is good at.
I don't really care how like other people feel about it because it's my clothes and I'm gonna wear it. But just like for me, like I just saw you in that. Like I just saw you, you know? But yeah, okay. So now we know what I'm wearing. We got the eyelashes on. Now we're gonna do nails. So my toes are purple right now, but I'm about to change them. I think I wanna do this green. I really wanna do like a French tip and a white, but I don't have time to do all that. So we're gonna do green. I'm excited. I love painting my nails. It's my favorite thing to do. I love painting my nails. It's my favorite thing. Y'all get this. Y'all see that? Super dry. Super dry. Works wonders, y'all. Works wonders. What else did I need? I needed something else. I was so in love. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Y'all, where is my stuff? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go get one of the other nail clippers. But yeah, so we're about to get into these toes and these fingers. We're gonna do green. I like a matching set. If I don't have white toes, they have to match. Like, I don't like I will purposely take the nail polish off my fingers if my toes and my hands don't match. Like, it's just, but okay, I'm about to get into it. It's crazy because I forget that I'm on YouTube and I like edit my videos. So you guys don't really know when I do stuff unless like I say it. But I be thinking like I gotta come on and be like, sorry you guys, I took a minor break and went to go eat. And it's like, Shawn, they don't know that. But anyways, we gotta get to doing my nails. Ignore the fact that my mattress is not right there. On the weekends, I love to move my bed to the living room and like camp out. It's fun. Y'all should try it. Okay, so my nails are done. I decided not to do my hands because, yeah, I have to hurry up and do my hair. I mean, so, like, I'll start doing something and I'm like, yeah, I got a lot of time because I wake up so early. But, like, yeah. So I'm about to do my hair. That video will be up. Well, actually, no, that video should already be up if you're watching this one. So, yeah. Stay tuned. I'll be back after my hair is done. And, yeah, see you guys in a second once I'm done. So y'all, I'm done. This was not what I expected to do with my hair. I really, like, it was a complete fail. I hope you guys watched that video because y'all, I did not know what I was in for. Now I'm cleaning up my space so I can cause like I'm not even dressed all the way, y'all. Like, y'all see me? I still got my pants on. I don't know. I don't like getting like fully dressed until like it's time, you know? If that might just be me. But yeah, so now I'm about to actually edit my hair video and go to my friend's house because his graduation party is at the same time as my grandpa's surprise party. So I'm about to go surprise him with his gift and just drop it off early because I feel bad. Like, I feel so bad that they're on the same day. Like, but yeah, so I'm about to drop his gift off. I'm so excited. You guys might get to see him and congratulate him, of course, down below. I would definitely tell him. But yeah, let me hurry up and edit because y'all, I have to post that video today. This video, y'all, my hair look good. But this video has to be posted today. So, yeah, but okay. Why am I trying to say bye to y'all? Y'all will see me in a second. I will get back on this camera when I'm done with everything. Okay, so change of plans. I'm not about to go see Michael right now. Hopefully I can get to him before the night is over. But if not, I'm gonna definitely drop off his stuff tomorrow and I will include this in this vlog. But yeah, on the way to the surprise party. So I'm on time. Thank God, cause y'all know I be late. But yeah, I'll just see y'all at the party. Happy birthday! Look at the white. Yes.
Hey, how you doing?
Look at me. Look at the baby girl. She's like, no. Go. So my grandpa's party was a success. We ate good. It was fun. It was so nice seeing all my cousins and stuff. I haven't seen them in like forever. I need to get better. I freaking suck. But yeah. Oh my god, I'm sitting on my glass. See, this is why they break. But yeah, I had a really nice time.
Father.
Congratulations, y'all. I'm gonna leave his cash up below. Y'all better send him some stuff.
Okay.
This man graduated from law school. Big boy.
We here.
Big boy.
We here.
You are lit. I can tell you.
No,
lit.
I really am.
We're here. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Can you see it?
Oh my god, thank you.
This man. Wait, hold it from the bottom. Cause
Oh my bad, okay.
this a Dollar Tree bag.
Okay, that's cool.
What?
Thank you for putting
You're
it up.
welcome. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, keep coming because we have more in store. See you guys later.
I drop top of my roof, that car driving make you feel some type of way.